cleaning. Cats are just running up and down the stairs. I have cleaned the kitchen, you will see this in a few minutes. But I mentioned in my last video that I'm likely to be moving, and we got the house, the new house. So it's going to be, I want to say it's like my 5th time in 12 months that I've moved, but technically not. I moved out of my first house November of last year. November 2022, I moved into my mum's for a bit to try and save money, but that didn't happen. And also living with a parent after living alone for like 4.5 years. I mean, bless my mum, but there was not enough space for me and my mum, and like her boyfriend was always there, and then like she has a cat, I have a dog, 2 cats. It just logistically did not work. I spent kind of a lot of last year like in between like houses almost. I was living with my mum, but I think I was at my friend's just outside of Macclesfield in December and kind of January. That's when I met my partner. When I met my partner who I'm with now, and then I was kind of at my partner's like mum's house for like February, March with Coops, and my mum kind of had the cats, but I felt like the worst pet mum in the world. So I got this house end of April, and I literally moved like the bank holiday weekend. Originally I was sharing this house with another girl and her dog. Her dog didn't get on with my cats, and like logistically that didn't work. I'm very hard to live with, I will admit that. I am not the easiest person to live with, and I think because I work from home the majority of the time, I'm like always home, and that can be like quite a lot to some people. My landlord now sent me a new tenancy agreement for this place in September, but I was about to go to Greece, and I was in Greece for like the majority of October. So when I got back, I found the house on open rent that I'm about to move into, but I never ended up signing my tenancy agreement to like renew this house on my own after my housemate moved out. Hopefully this makes some sense. Got a new job, moving to another government department, so my office is now going to be Manchester, but I'm moving to a town just outside of Macclesfield, kind of country, kind of rural. So yeah, that is the story. We are moving. I move 4 weeks next weekend, the end of the year, basically New Year's. It's Poppy. Hey Pops. Hey Baba. So we move effectively like New Year's weekend around that time. There's some current issues with my, you can see her tail, she's right under the camera. Poppy, come here. Come here. Yeah, okay then. Having some issues with my current landlord. I think he was under the impression that we have a signed tenancy agreement. Sorry, she's putting her head into my back. I think he's under the impression we had a signed tenancy agreement, which we don't, and that I'm supposed to give him 3 months notice, so he's effectively saying I need to pay until February, but there is currently no signed agreement for this house, so if I assume that makes it like a rolling month by month thing. I've gave him 6 weeks notice for me to leave, so logistically not sure how that's working. But anyway, my new house, it's signed, it's done, ready to go. I've paid my deposit, I paid my first month's rent up front, you know, it's done. I am moving, it's amazing, the house is gorgeous, it's very like me. But effectively moving closer to my boyfriend. He lives in a town, like a very small town in the Peak District. He is a country boy. He's also a mechanic, so unlike me, where even in my new job when I move in January, I can still work from home a couple of days a week. He obviously is a mechanic, he has to work in like a workshop in a place. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed me talking to the camera. This is very out of my comfort zone, but yeah, let's get on with today's cleaning.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, so
this is the start of the decluttering process, so I'm just getting rid of some holiday clothes and some bikinis and stuff that didn't fit me anymore, and I'm going to give them to one of the girls to have a look through and see what she wants, and if not they will be donated. But yeah, effectively this is the start of the decluttering process before we move.
found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Now I'm just putting away the rest of the laundry that I had. Today is very much like a laundry filled day. I had so much to do. I think I did like 4 loads. And obviously with the tumble dryer situation that I have, and there's no point me buying one right now until we move. You'll see me just putting clothes all over the radiators, but that's just, you know, that's just as realistic as it gets.
I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my
living room is the last thing that we're gonna sort today. We're just gonna give it a quick tidy up as it was getting dark. Cooper wanted a bit of a play first though. He just got back from a WALK. I can't say the word because he sat right in front of me. And yeah, he was still very much wanting like playtime. Just popping the blanket on the sofa, picking up his toys and then giving it a quick hoover and spraying the sofas with some Febreze. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you again soon. Bye.